Welcome to my computer class. Let's begin with a new practical in Flash where the biplane, that is a movie clip which is available in Flash, will be giving an effect like it is landing down along with a guide layer. Let's see how to do it. For that, first of all, you need to go for window menu, common libraries, and in this we have got the movie clips. In the movie clips, we have to go for a biplane. Okay, select biplane which is available in the library, movie clips library. Just select the biplane and get it on the stage by click and drag over. I'm just keeping it on the left top corner of the stage. Let's adjust the size of the biplane. We are giving landing down effect. That means the size of the biplane at the beginning will be less. We need to reduce the size by selecting scale tool. We can reduce the size. Let's select the scale tool and reduce the size. I'm keeping it here at the top left corner. Okay, now let's begin with the animation, where the basic animation steps you all need to remember always. First of all, we need to change this object into motion twin by selecting what? Insert menu, create motion twin command. Select it, and then after that we need to give the position, that means how long the duration you require for this object that to move. The duration we give by selecting frames. So I'm selecting frames as 100, and here now I'm giving insert menu keyframe command. Okay, after clicking below the 100 number, that means on the 100 number selection, click on keyframe command. The shortcut key for the keyframe is F6. Keyframe command copies this object right from the first frame till the last frame, that is 100 frame. You can check out this. My play header is on 100 frame right now. When I click on first frame, my play header is on first frame. Now the object is where? At the top left corner. When I click on 100 frame, where is the object? Same position. But here on 100 frame, we need to move the object down at the right bottom corner of the stage. This will give you a simple animation where the plane is moving from left top corner of the stage towards the right bottom corner of the stage. This is what the simple animation we have done. Now what I want, when it is coming down, the size of the plane should increase. Now for that, what we should do? Select the plane at the 100 frame. Now is it there on the 100 frame? Yes. My play header is on 100 frame. You may click directly, the plane will get selected here. Now go for scale tool and increase the size of the plane so that it will get increased, and you can adjust the place location of the plane. Okay, done. Now after this, the next step what we are going to add here is we are going to add one guide layer. So it will move according to the guide layer. Guide layer I have taught you before. Let's get revised with it again. Okay, now to add guide layer, we just have to go for add guide layer button, which is there on the timeline. So select add guide layer button. In this, what we have to select? First frame. See, guide layer 1 is added for the layer 1. Okay, now click on the first frame of the guide layer. Okay, now what we do in using guide layer, we allow the object to move according to the given path. So we need to draw a path here. Now this will be the free form path. So that's why I'm selecting here pencil tool to draw free form line. Now I'm selecting it. Now always remember, pencil tool has got different modes. Among those, in the first mode, that means the first option is the straighten. You are not supposed to use the straighten or ink mode for giving guide layer. You should go for smooth option. So it will give you smooth curves to get the guide layer here. Okay, now I'm just drawing a path here with a smooth mode of pencil tool, which will give you smooth line. Okay, lines and curves. See, you can see here. Okay, now once I add it, once I draw this, at that time you can, when I press enter key, you can see the plane is moving according to the given path here. Okay, and gradually growing the size of the plane also, because at the end I have increased the size. Okay, now here after this, you can see first frame the plane size and the last frame plane size. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, after this, what is the next part? See, this is showing the guide layer when I press enter key, isn't it? But is it necessary to show the guide layer on the stage? Not at all. It should move it automatically. We should show that effect that way. So we have to play this on the, by pressing Control Enter button. This will give you full screen play view. Okay, so here you will not see the guide layer. You will see that plane is moving on its own as per the wavy path. Okay, now let's come out of it. Hope you must have understood how to do it. Okay, this is what the biplane, which is we have added using movie clips, as well as we are giving a simple motion twin to it, and then added a guide layer. It's a combination of three different options which we have done it previously. Okay, hope you must have enjoyed. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.